Hi everyone, it's another video on this channel, and this is part of Learn HTML the Right Way series. This time around we'll be talking on links and navigation. So that is how you can navigate from one page to the other, from your page to an external website. So now let's preview this page and see what we have. We created it in our last video, so let's see what we have. Let's open it with Live Server so we can see that we have it here. So now let's see how we can add a link to this page. In case you don't know what a link is, I have my Twitter profile opened here. So let's click on this. This is a link, so it takes me to this profile, so I can go back to my profile again. So you can see that I'm navigating from one page to the other here on the same website. So let's go back to our code and see what we have. So I'll just create a heading here. Let's say h2, let's say link with me. So save. Then let's create a div here. So a div is nothing more than, let's just say a division. So to create a link, you create it using a element, or you call it hyperlink. So let's say a, then close it. So once you close it, it's going to ask you inside this tag, you need to supply the text that someone will see, not the link now, but a text they will see, just like you see Right Choice Academy here. So but the link is somewhere behind the text. So let's come here. So let's say I want to link someone to my GitHub here. So let's see what we have in our browser. So you can see it's not even showing as a link here. So the reason is that we've not supplied the actual link a user will go to when they click on that. So let's come back to our code. So let's say href, then let's provide the link to my GitHub profile. So right choice 23, that is my GitHub profile link. So let's click, should take you. Okay, so this is my GitHub profile. So let's go back to, let's just go back, then let's come back to our code. Then here on this code, you will notice that when we click on that link, it opens in the same tab with our website. We may not want this experience. So how do you make sure that a link, when a user clicks on it, it opens in a new tab? So what you just have to do is to supply another attribute. We call it target blank. So you target and you supply a value of blank to it. So if we come back to our page here and we click on this link, you will notice that it's now opening in another page. So let's supply more link to our, what's it called, our portfolio now. So I want to link people to my Twitter, or let me just call it X. I want to link people to my Twitter, which is formerly Twitter. So then I want to also link someone to my YouTube also. So what I have to do here, I'll just say x.com. I have the same username. So here I'll say youtube.com Right Choice Academy. So save. Then let's come back to our page. You can see now I have YouTube, I have GitHub, I have Twitter, and I have YouTube. So if I click on X, it should take me to my Twitter profile. All right, so that's nice. So by this time now, you now understand how you can add a link to your web pages, how you can create that in HTML. So if you have any question, just shoot in the comment. Don't forget to like this video, share it with people, subscribe to the channel so that you can stay connected for every of our content as we release. Thank you so much. See you in another release.